What's up, y'all? Sport of Tactical Arms. I want to show y'all something I bought. It's a it was a police trade in. I paid $279 for it, and it was like a $15 shipping, so it came out to like $294 and all for the gun and shipping, right? Then I paid an extra $40 for the FFL. What we got here is a Glock 22 Gen 4 Grade 3, 40 cals, 40 Smith and Wesson. Right? So this is what we got here. You know, I mean, it's not rusted or anything. It's just got like a lot of holster wear. You know, but it's like the cheapest Glock I ever seen in life. $279, and it's a 50 Smith and Wesson 40 Glock 22 Gen 4. It came with a it came with one mag. Came with one mag. I ended up buying that extra one right there. That was like $40. 15 rounds. I'm saying I ain't finished loading the mags up, but uh, I got a nice decent amount of here though. Yeah, it's pretty cool though because you actually, I mean, this gun is like big, y'all, for 40. You know what I'm saying? This gun is like bigger than my hands, and the sights on it, good as hell, you know. Yeah, but altogether though, it's a pretty decent gun. Like everybody's been talking about them, so I said, hey, why not go ahead and get another one? Got some holster wear on it. All those little paint, all of that's holster wear. No rust. Now, striker fire. Pretty decent though. Pretty decent gun. And it's a 40 cat. This just something to prove, because if you're on a budget, man, you probably only got like 250, $300. Go on Gideon Tactical, and you can get a Glock for like 279 out the door, like literally. Well, it wasn't exactly out the door. Like it took about what 5 days for me to get this. So yeah, you just gotta have like once you buy the gun, they're gonna send you an email, and they're gonna basically ask you like, okay, to call one of your local close FFL dealers, like a gun store or a pawn shop that deals with firearms and stuff like that. They're gonna ask you to call them, get permission, then you give them the email that Gideon gonna send you, stuff like that. And once they do that, they gonna let before they do it, they gonna ask you like, okay, well, we charge this amount of fee. Like mine was like I want to say like mine was $40. $40. They charged me $40 for a transfer fee. That's not bad actually. That's a pretty sweet deal. I got ammo loaded up in the mag, but the gun is empty. So yeah, that's how they look right there, y'all. Good old reliable pre-owned Glock 22. They had some other different type of Glocks there too for like cheap, but I mean 279 for a 40. You know what I'm saying? I would have really expected that for a 9mm Glock, but this a whole 40. Like 40s cost more than 9mm, so you know that's just my opinion. Like that's a sweet dirt cheap deal for a Glock that only has like holster wear. It's worn out from it being in a holster. Are you having to draw your weapon too much in the holsters? Back in the days with the polices and stuff, with the type of holsters they had, they had those little uh, cheap type holsters. Now we got the updated modern holsters now to where it won't cost like this wear to your firearm. You know, like with this one, it got some little wear up here and a little wear right there in that area. But all together though, I mean, this is a sweet deal for a 40. For a 40. And it's a Glock 22 Gen 4, y'all. You know. It came with one magazine. I have it extended. I have a 31 rounder magazine coming in a package for me soon for this type of gun. But I did buy another 15 round mag for it, which was $40. I looked online and they was way more cheaper. But I guess when you buying it out of a firearm store, you know how they go. Yeah, that's how they go right there, y'all. But I will be shooting this. I will be shooting this soon. Like that's a promise, y'all. I will be shooting this soon. You know, I understand it's a coronavirus out there, so yeah, y'all. I've been working a lot. That's why I haven't been on here lately. You know, so bear with me, y'all. I got some more. I'm gonna have some more videos coming for this. I promise you. It's gonna be nothing but this that I'm gonna be shooting. You know, my friend, he was like, "Wow, a Glock for 279? Yeah, yeah. All you gotta do is look up police trade in Glocks. It's a police trade in. Yep. As y'all can see, blue label. That blue label. Any gun box that has a blue label on it, any Glock gun box that has a blue label on it, it's a police trade in. Which means the police had this gun and they trusted their life with it. They trusted their life with this gun. I've been looking up some good reviews about this gun. You know, I've been looking up some good reviews about this gun, so I'm quite sure it's very reliable and it's going to feed everything I throw in it. But that's what the That's what the shooting is for. I'm gonna make sure as soon as I record, as soon as my first shots from this firearm, I'm gonna make sure y'all can see my other baby over there too. And my other baby right here. That my other baby right there. You know what I'm saying? She got her little best friend with her too. But yep, yep. Glock 22. Also from the looks of it, because this was also a Glock 35 mag too. So Glock 35 mags can be used with Glock 22 mags from the looks of it. They're interchangeable. So I guess they're both 40 cal, 40 ammunition, Smith and Wesson. So yeah, I got some coats in here, some hollow points in here. You know, it was the only ammo that they had in stock. So that was pretty much, cost me fucking $30. Costing me $30 for this shit, and that was only for 20 of them. But I got I got two 200 round boxes coming to me in a package soon, y'all. So I have more ammunition for it. That's the whole point of me buying all the ammo so that I could do a review, and keep some for the house, stuff like that. But yeah, Glock 22, y'all, bang for your buck. As you can see, this the magazine that came with it. It got some little scrapes on it and stuff like that. That's the that's the old that's the magazine. Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, but there you have it, y'all. Block 22. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Free country. You know. Let me know how y'all feel about this gun. That's what y'all here for. Let me know. All right. Sparta Tactical Arms out.